Welcome back to Auto Street. Today, we take you on an extraordinary journey into the world of classic cars, and there's no better place to start than with an icon that has captivated enthusiasts for over 6 decades: the 1961 Jaguar E-Type. Known for its timeless design, groundbreaking engineering, and unparalleled charm, the Jaguar E-Type is more than just a car. It's a symbol of elegance, speed, and innovation. Sit back as we uncover the secrets and fascinating details of this automotive masterpiece. When the Jaguar E-Type was unveiled at the Geneva Motor Show in 1961, it wasn't just another car, it was a revelation. Designed by aerodynamic genius Malcolm Sayer, the E-Type was praised for its sleek, flowing lines and perfect proportions. The long hood, low stance, and curved silhouette gave it an almost feline grace, fitting for a brand synonymous with leaping forward. Its design wasn't just about beauty, it was about performance. The lightweight monocoque construction and aerodynamic profile were revolutionary for its time. Under the hood, the Jaguar E-Type was powered by a 3.8-liter inline-6 engine that roared to life with 265 horsepower. This wasn't just any engine. It was derived from Jaguar's racing heritage, directly influenced by the C-Type and D-Type race cars that had dominated Le Mans in the 1950s. The result? A top speed of 150 mph, making it one of the fastest production cars of its era. Imagine driving at that speed in the early 60s, an experience that must have felt like pure freedom. But the Jaguar E-Type wasn't just about speed, it was about the entire driving experience. The four-wheel disc brakes, developed from Jaguar's racing expertise, ensured you could stop as confidently as you could accelerate. Independent suspension on all four corners gave it handling precision that few could rival. In fact, many automotive experts consider the E-Type to be decades ahead of its time in terms of engineering. Inside, the Jaguar E-Type was a blend of luxury and functionality. The cockpit was driver-focused, featuring beautifully crafted leather seats, toggle switches, and an iconic 3-spoke steering wheel. Sitting behind the wheel wasn't just about driving, it was about being part of a moment in automotive history. Every detail, from the polished gear lever to the perfectly positioned gauges, reminded you that this car was built for those who appreciated the finer things in life. Enzo Ferrari, the founder of Ferrari, once called the Jaguar E-Type the most beautiful car ever made, and it's not hard to see why. Even today, over 60 years later, the E-Type turns heads wherever it goes. It's a piece of art on wheels, a reminder of a time when cars were more than machines, they were expressions of passion and creativity. Whether you're a car enthusiast, a lover of design, or just someone who appreciates the classics, the Jaguar E-Type has something for everyone. It's a car that transcends generations, a timeless masterpiece that continues to inspire. As we wrap up this journey into the 1961 Jaguar E-Type, let us know in the comments, what's your favorite classic car? And if you've ever been lucky enough to see or drive an E-Type, share your story below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more incredible automotive content. This is your channel for everything classic and cool. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.